Hey, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. I'm here to talk to you about the do's and don't of a laptop and how it should be treated. One, don't ever put your laptop on the carpet. It's the worst thing you could ever do. All those little fibers can get into the laptop, clog up those fans, and then what you have next? You're overheated your laptop. Do always run your updates. Always try to remember to run your updates. Microsoft sends updates. Apple sends updates. Your manufacturer of your operating system will send updates. Make sure you definitely do them. 3, don't ever let someone get into your laptop. Create another profile, another guest profile. Sometimes people can download things on your computer and you're unaware of, and that can spell trouble for you.
Number 8, make sure you have a password on your laptop. If they happen to get into your laptop, that's an extra level of defense, especially if your laptop happens to get stolen. You can't let those crooks in it if they don't know your password. Number 9, make sure you never let your antivirus get expired. And number 10, drumroll, the last thing is, if you got your computer repaired, don't get a mechanical hard drive, get a solid state drive. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. Check in. We'll see you guys soon.